Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you how to stop Snapchat from auto-playing the random filter music bug. To fix the issue, you can clear lens cache. To do so, open Snapchat. Then, tap your Bitmoji or the profile icon. Now, go to Settings. Here, you can select the Clear Cache option. Next, you will clear lens cache. After that, restart the app. When a lens starts playing music, tap the speaker or mute icon to silence it. Snapchat should remember your mute setting for that session. To update Snapchat, go to the App Store or Google Play. Following that, update Snapchat. Many music autoplay bugs are patched in newer versions. Another way is to uninstall the app. Reinstall fresh from the store to reset cached lens data. There is also another way to fix the issue. In Snapchat, go to the Settings. Here, select the I spotted a bug option. Then, tap on Filters and Lenses. Report the autoplay issue so they can fix it in updates. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.